In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Todoist with Outlook. Are you trying to juggle various tasks and emails, finding it increasingly tricky to keep track of everything? Well, integrating Todoist with Outlook can streamline your workflow, helping you stay organized without switching between apps constantly. Let's walk through the process together. First things first, you'll need to log into your Todoist account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Todoist login page. Here you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Go ahead and type it in, making sure there are no typos. Following that, you will be asked to enter your password and double check you've entered it correctly before hitting the login button. Now that you're logged into Todoist, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Look for the inbox on the navigation panel. This is where all your tasks can be found and managed. The next step involves accessing some settings to enable integration. Locate your profile icon, which is usually found towards the top corner of your screen. Clicking on this will open a menu where you should select Settings to proceed further into the customization options available for your account. Within the Settings menu, you'll see a tab labeled Integrations. This section is designed specifically for linking Todoist with other applications you use, like Outlook, so naturally that's where we're heading next. Once you're in the integration section, you might feel a bit overwhelmed by the options available. Don't worry, just look for the Browse option. This is your gateway to discovering all the possible integrations, including the one we're interested in today, Outlook. After selecting Browse, navigate through the list until you find Outlook. It might take a couple of seconds depending on how fast your internet connection is. Upon locating Outlook, there should be an option that says How to Connect. This is crucial as it provides detailed instructions specific to integrating Todoist with Outlook, ensuring a seamless setup. Switching gears to Outlook, open your Outlook account in another tab or window. Once you're in, make sure you're looking at your inbox. It's from here that we'll be able to add the Todoist add-in to Outlook. Inside your inbox, select any email to open it. This step is necessary to access the next menu. You should see 4 dots or an ellipsis symbol somewhere near the top of the email window or on a toolbar. Click on it to reveal more options, one of which is Get Add-ins. Clicking Get Add-ins brings up a new window with a search function. In the search bar provided, type in Todoist and press Enter. This brings up the Todoist for Outlook add-in among your search results. It's a straightforward add-in designed to blend Todoist functionality right into your Outlook experience. Click on the Todoist for Outlook to bring up its details, and then look for the Add button. By clicking Add, you'll start the process of integrating Todoist directly into your Outlook. Once the add-in is installed, you should receive a notification confirming the successful integration. This means you're all set. Now you can manage your tasks and emails more efficiently right from within Outlook. You can create tasks directly from emails, set due dates, and even prioritize them without ever leaving your inbox. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to sync Todoist with Outlook. Remember, integrating these tools can significantly improve your productivity by streamlining task management and email handling in one unified interface. Don't hesitate to explore further customizations and how you can leverage this integration to fit your workflow best. Happy organizing, and see you in the next video with more productivity tips and tricks.